Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy vegan white chocolate. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for a smooth process. You will need 1 cup of food-grade cocoa butter, which forms the base of our chocolate. Also prepare half a cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of plant-based milk powder, like soy or oat, for creaminess. A teaspoon of vanilla extract completes our flavor profile, promising a delicious outcome. Now, let's melt our cocoa butter properly to create a smooth foundation. Place your heat-proof bowl containing the cocoa butter over a saucepan with simmering water, creating a double boiler. Be sure the bowl doesn't touch the water. Stir gently until the cocoa butter is fully liquid and clear. This slow, indirect heat is crucial for maintaining its integrity, ensuring it melts evenly without burning. Keep the temperature around 110-115 degrees F, 43-46 degrees C, for optimal results. With your cocoa butter beautifully melted, it's time to add the sweetness and essential flavor. Carefully remove the bowl from the double boiler, placing it on a heat-resistant surface. Gradually whisk in your half cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of plant milk powder. This step requires thorough mixing to prevent any lumps, creating a uniform, creamy mixture. Finally, stir in your teaspoon of vanilla extract, infusing the chocolate with that classic aromatic sweetness we all love. For that professional snap and shiny finish, a little tempering helps tremendously. After mixing, let the chocolate cool slightly while stirring constantly. You're aiming for a working temperature of about 88-90 degrees F, 31-32 degrees C. This gentle cooling and stirring helps the cocoa butter crystals align correctly. Once it reaches this temperature, it's ready to be poured into your chosen silicone molds or spread thinly onto parchment paper, ensuring a beautiful appearance. Your vegan white chocolate is almost ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer your molds or parchment paper to the refrigerator for setting. Allow them to chill for at least 30 minutes or until completely firm to the touch. Once solid, gently pop your beautiful white chocolate pieces out of their molds. Store these delightful treats in an airtight container at room temperature for about 2 weeks, or extend their freshness in the fridge. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.